Hi, I wanted to make this video to let people know how easy it is to clean your boat or your jet ski. Get all those water marks and water spots that have been dried there for a while. I've looked at a lot of videos to see what other people are saying. They're using chemicals, they're using just polishing, cleaners. Bad for the environment, bad for the lake. Don't use any chemicals. All you need is vinegar and water is all you need. So this, something that I had to do is make this video to let people know, use 2/3 water, 1/3 vinegar, or half and half. Works either way. Use a coarse rag and make sure the rag is not too soft. I use vinegar. I also use HDX cleaning vinegar. You can get it from Home Depot or a few other places. I get mine at Home Depot. But just to let you know, do not use the chemicals. Vinegar and water is all you need. I want to make this short and sweet. Just the only thing I ask is give me a thumbs up, a nice comment, and share. Thank you so much.